Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix name drop not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn on and off airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, turn on airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and turn off back. Method number 2. Turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and AirDrop. Open the control center on your iPhone. On the control center page, tap on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, turn on Wi-Fi, turn on Bluetooth and tap on AirDrop. Select for everyone 10 minutes. Method number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Method number 4. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Method number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.